They might tell me that we can buy it and carry, but never buy
No, you
it
can't
and
carry.
cook it
Yes.
and carry it back. That's how they cow. This are the real cow skin, not the foreign.
No, no.
Real
Yes.
whole cow skin.
Yes, so you do that. I take care of it.
Alright, yeah man. Eh? Now take the black part. Don't give me the black part anymore. We get enough black. We need to be light skin now. Clean. Clean like a whistle.
Yes, ma'am.
So £2, lady.
£2.
How much money?
800.
Wow, you hear that? $800. So welcome back to Joe in the kitchen. So guys, today I'm going to be making just a quick video for you. So this is some cow skin I bought back from Jamaica with me, because you guys, I was there in Jamaica, went to the market, bought myself 2 pounds of cow skin. I wanted to go back to those days when Mama used to cook this cow skin. It wasn't something I really loved, but she did such a great job of it, and I just want to try to see if I'm gonna be loving it and cook it the way Mama used to do it. So this is the cow skin. So what I did, I parboiled it from Jamaica. It wasn't cooked, it was just parboiled. I didn't want to bring it up raw from the market and bring it here and then take it away from you at the airport. So I parboiled it. So have it cut up here. I'm going to put it in a pot of boiled water. So let me come back and show you what I'm going to do. So here is water. Put it in boiled water. So I'm going to add some frozen scallion I have in the fridge. You may use fresh scallion. I had it frozen in the fridge. I'm going to put some garlic in. You don't have to cut it up or anything. It's going to boil. It takes a while for this to boil. I'm going to add some garlic salt. Garlic salt. It's going to have a salty taste, so I won't put too much. And you know me, I like my easy spice seasoning. So I'm going to put some all-purpose seasoning in, and it's easy spice. So that's what I'm going to add in it. I'm going to add more water to this because it takes a while for it to cook. It's cow skin, it takes a while to cook. And I'm going to add some soy sauce. And to give it that, it's brown stew, you know, give it that color. And then I'm going to add water to it. Add a little bit more brown soy sauce. And you can always add it to whatever color you're looking for. And this is it. I'm going to leave it here to boil. I'm going to add some more boiling water to this, bring it up, because it takes a while to boil. And this is cooking cow skin. It's boiling. It's not like when you're cooking, so you add your flavors in at the beginning, so you cook with it. It's not like when you're cooking curry goat or anything and you don't use water. But this, you have to use water to cook it. Or if you have a pressure cooker, you cook it in your pressure cooker. So I don't have a pressure cooker. I like to cook things on the stove top because I like the slow cooking. I think you get a better flavor from it when it takes it back. So this is it. It's boiling. It's gonna take me maybe another 40 minutes. I'll come back and look at it. But I'm gonna add the water to it now and leave it to cook. So I'll be bringing it back to you guys so you can see what it is. Alright. See you soon. That's my flour. And I'm gonna season up a bit. I just have some onion and just some scotch bonnet pepper. We had scallion in and we had garlic and we had thyme from Jamaica. I cooked down in it already. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. So I'm gonna put it in and I'll come back and show you. So I'm back. Those are my spinners and I'm gonna put my onion and pepper in and stir, leave it here to cook down a bit. And you know what would be nice, guys? If I realize I don't have anybody, I don't know how that happened, but if you had a little butter, margarine, you could put a little bit in, you know, because cow skin don't have that much of fat like other meat, so it would be nice. But when I found out I didn't have any butter in my refrigerator, what I did, I put some cooking oil. That's what I did, put some cooking oil in, just to give it that little, you see what the gravy look like. You want that little bit of fatty, you know, you don't want to make it too bland. So that's what the butter would bring it all together. But I know it's gonna be good. Because I always say the most important ingredients in any cooking, it's love. And I know I'm giving it all the love. I have cooked it at Jamaica, I wrap it up nice and neat and carry it home here on my carry-on. So I know it got some love. You travel all the way from Jamaica, that's a lot of love there. So once you give your food some love, don't worry, it's gonna be good. And this meat is easy to cook. When I say easy, you don't have to be pampering it or nothing. You just make it, season it up nice, put it on, season up your pot nice and leave it to cook for an hour or so and a half. And I said if you have pressure cooker, then it's a different thing. But you don't have to baby this thing. You just leave it. When you figure it more it's tender enough, you come back to it. So I'm gonna leave it for a few minutes, then I'll come back. So while the spinners are cooking and the onions cooking out, I'm gonna add broad bean to it. And I remember my mom putting broad bean or butter bean into this, and I'm gonna put some in. And it won't change the flavor. Right? Butter bean and cowskin. That's a good combination. When I add the butter bean, rinse them off. I'm gonna add it to it. Because if you're cooking cow foot and cow foot, your butter bean is good. The spinners. You can add carrots to it if you want, some red pepper, green pepper, but it's not all that necessary, right? All those color pepper is not really, you know I like colors, but it's not really necessary, but I like colors. But this look really good to me as far as it is right now. I'm just gonna leave it so it simmer down into a nice sauce, and it's looking good. See, it has some oil to it. And I'm gonna stick it with a fork so you can see the tenderness. Give me a minute, I'm gonna show you. See, and the fork, it's tender. Once the fork take it up like this, you can see that it's tender, right? It's tender. It's cooked. It's good. So I just came back here from Jamaica, as I said, to celebrate my mom's 90th birthday. And some of you might see in the video, and if you didn't see the party yet, it's something you want to watch and see. My mom ate gracefully at 90. So going back home and see her at 90, and I remember this she cooked when it was like in the 70s. I remember eating this. So it was a long time. So he takes me back and I say, you know what, I'm gonna cook house, and I realize one of the things that she cooks and cooks very well. And as I said, it was something that we have really once a week or so. And I really didn't like it because it's so sticky. So, but it was, she cooked it with so much love. It was something to die for. And even though I didn't like the stickiness. But, shout out to you, Mama. Your cooking will live long all after you're gone. Love you, Mama. And here you have it. Cow skin with butter bean and spinners. That is the cow skin from down a yard, down a Jamaica, the real brown cow skin. Hope you enjoy this video. Gives me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share with friends and family. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.